I bought a $70,000 business and it's failing. That's why I have not been here recently, as I'm trying to revive that. However, I think I slowly have it somewhat set up. So I've been trading for the past week, little by little, as you can see here. We announced buy puts. We bought Netflix puts. This paid really well. I wish I got out a little later because I think these ended up being around $9 or even $10. Got Tesla puts, ended up selling that for I think 20%, and SPY puts for 40%. Re-entered again, and then out at 100%. And then I sold the Tesla for 20% from 565 to 6.9. Again, I always show you guys exactly my trade log of the day. So every time I announce something, I post exactly what I took on my phone. So where do I think the market's gonna go? And if you guys want alerts, just go to chancetrades.com. Again, I keep saying that the prices are gonna go up. I just don't know when because I've been so busy. Like my mind's everywhere. I'm going to Vietnam on the 4th, so again, I'll probably disappear for a little. But in terms of where the market is going, so this is one of the trend lines that I am watching heavily. There's confluence with demand right here. As you can see, we get a drop base rally. So that's definitely a level to watch. We literally hit a liquidity zone the other day, and look at that. We literally bounced off nearly 25 points since there. But the demand level is here, the trend line is here. That's exactly what I'm watching. As of right now, I'm still somewhat bearish. I mean, this kind of looks like a flag right here, right? And it still looks corrective. So, but I do think a short-term bottom is in, because when I see something like this, which is an expanded triangle, I think that we are in wave 4. So triangles could either happen in B of ABC for Elliott wave or wave 4 of an impulse. So this looks to me like an impulse. You get the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if we were to count 5, not this is probably going to be a wedge or something, because if 1 and 4 intersects, the only rule that allows you to do so is if there's a wedge. So possibly something like this. So then you get from here, there's wave 4, and then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is what I'm thinking. Potentially go a little higher during the overnight session today. And then after that, I think we come down into my demand level or take out liquidity again. So I'm ultimately aiming for this 3948 level, and I think my demand level is here at 3941. And then from there, I believe we probably get some sort of 50% retracement or so, because this is the first impulse, I believe, from the highs. So from there, actually, let's wait a little first, because I'm not sure if this is a potentially like a 3-3-5 setup. 1 second. You get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could just be a corrective move for, let's see, one. Let's just be 1, 2. I don't know if I could count it as such, but I mean, impulses, technically speaking, could just begin anywhere. So I like to see this as a bearish move, but after it hits my demand level, since we did have a couple of red days, I believe. Yeah, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will probably be looking for some sort of retracement since this pivot up here to here. And if it's confluent with my supply level, it will probably be a nice short. So here you go, see? So after it tags my level down here, I am thinking some sort of ABC relief bounce, and then from there we'll probably end up breaking lower. And I think this will be the beginning of more downside, but let's see what is to come. I haven't really been charting other stuff simply because again I've been busy. But if you guys want, comment below, and I will see if I could chart something next week for you guys, or join the Discord because that's where I mainly talk to people. And if I'm coming back, I will probably ask something like what you guys want me to chart. Tesla, I think is super bearish. Great stock, but everything's just been retracing into this 0.61 level, and we still haven't taken out liquidity at equal low at 191. So that is what I will be looking for. In terms of longer term, I think this 161, 170, this 1.61 fib extension would end up being valuable. That's the only level I see besides this liquidity level. So Airbnb, this thing's been on a crazy down. I mean, look at that. It hit our demand level and completely rocketed. A 77% move from our demand level. That's insane. And again, I say always trade with the right tools. I always say it, and I preach it myself. I took, I believe, what it was, Weight Watchers, and I took puts for this for earnings. This thing dumped heavy, and my target was this $40 mark, but it ended up going down crazy. February 23rd, I think it was here. Literally dropped 30%, and I posted it all in my private chat. If you guys got a CallsOrPuts.com membership, make sure to DM me so that I can add you guys because this is a private channel. And look, there you go. I said NW. Where is it? Right here. NW, congrats if you played it. And I announced it on 221, 2 days prior to earnings. So again, trade with the right tools, the right team. Everyone here works together and make money. I'm glad. And if you got a membership, make sure to DM me because again, you need to be in this chat. And also, it gives you access to, if you're busy, you could just look at Discord versus going on a website, etc. A lot of new changes are coming in March, which is next month. So, super excited for that. Let's see what happens. Trade with the right tools and the right teams. Good luck, guys.